push you away. Some days people don't see you. You feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates.
Hey guys, this is Kamal and today I'm gonna show you how to juggle for beginners.
There are two exercises to improve juggling. This is the first exercise where you have to drop the ball from your hand and hit it back into your hand. While dropping the ball, give a backspin to the ball with your hands.
Today live like a wanna. Let yesterday burn and go in a fire. In a fire. In a fire.
Here, you need to take care of these things. Bend your knees, toe pointing upwards. Part of your foot. Lock your ankle. Try to keep the ball within your waist height. Bend your knees. Bending your knees also helps to keep the ball within your reach. Toe pointing upwards. To keep the ball within your range, you need to keep the toe in upward direction to give it a backspin. And if you don't, the ball will move away from you. Part of your foot. The part of your foot that you have to use to hit is usually the area around the front portion of the lace. Lock your ankle. Lock your ankle, otherwise you won't get the right amount of power to hit the ball. Try to keep the ball within your waist height. Try to keep the ball within your waist height. By keeping it below your waist height, it is the control on the ball. When you feel comfortable with the first exercise, then you can move to the second exercise, which is basically the same exercise with a bit change in it. Following the first exercise, drop the ball, spinning the ball backward toward yourself and hit it back into your hands. Repeat it for the second time, hitting the ball 2 times and back into your hands. Every time you drop the ball, increase the number of juggles. After you have perfected those exercises, you can move on to the juggling and just keep practicing.